Samani Pizam Gosele, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Sunday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Anyway, guys, so let's get to the story of today. So yesterday, Umpilo posted these beautiful pictures and mini video, guys. The people are saying, oh, but finally, Musam Seleko's prayers has been answered to see your kids getting along. I know, guys, we all need many degree. We need everything. But if there's one thing I will say, guys, having a good relationship with your siblings, it's a blessing. We see Umpilo, Abongwe, Olwandle. I think they were going on a vacation. One thing is like Seleko, guys, say they love each other behind the scene. Yes, go my direct section, they drag each other. I think, guys, 80% it's real, and then 20% they buy a actor lapana, guys. And thanks to Matele, we still remember only December, season 3, episode 3. Matele had a conversation. No snare, I'm jealous. What is snare? At the end of the day, you need to have a relationship. No below, guys. Those are your siblings. Usne, guys, she will complain. But one thing about her, guys, we are attending and Zakobe. You can see on the video, I've never seen Usne a happy, guys. No below, she's so happy. Maybe she did see a conversation because people were dragging Umpilo, saying, Umpilo une pride. She thinks Imaliak Amakumalo yake, guys. Sing them together. People are saying, some even say, yo, wish me and my siblings can get along and love each other, guys. You know, as a parent, obviously when you see this, you like, even if something happened, these three, they will have a great relationship. They will be there for each other. Sometimes there's nothing to do how much you have in your bank account, just to be there for each other, guys. That is the most important thing. So anyway, guys, a happy Sunday. Please take care of yourself. May you and siblings have a great relationship, guys. Anyway, guys, don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. A happy Sunday. Bye.